Happy Friday afternoon, everybody. Off work, so I'm in the loft. And this is my next project. It will be a working waterfall. So hopefully that will fill up with water, because the front's higher, the back's higher than what the front is, so the water hopefully will trickle off there, down through here, fill this pond up, and then we've got mosquitoes, fishing tackle and bait shop. This is quite a decent detailed model, so hopefully it'll work. I've got plenty of silicone, bins on with double glazed window fitter, and I've also bought some Woodland Scenics latex rubber. So once I coat everything in the silicone and the rubber, hopefully nothing's going to leak. And there will be an outlet somewhere there for it to go in a big tub underneath, and then with a bit of luck it will all work. And then there eventually will be some Weissman fishermen that move, and hopefully it'll look pretty good and pretty detailed. So yeah, touch wood, everything will work, as long as we don't get any leaks. I'm quite confident I'll be able to seal it all off. And I've got some clear plastic card for the sides at the back to stop splashing. With it being clear, I'm hoping that you won't see it. So look forward to that, hopefully, and I'll do a video of it in the next stage. So again, guys, thumbs up, any comments I'll gladly reply to them, and hopefully I might get some new subscribers soon. Thanks for that, and thanks to my new subscribers, and happy training.